These are the top tool deals from Amazon's big spring sale. These deals are so big, I had to come to the Big Apple to bring them to you. Let's go. If you want to check out any of these tool deals, there will be a link in the description and the pinned comment to every single one so you don't miss them. Before we get started, I have a daily deal email that I send out an email every morning with the best deals that I find on the internet. If you want to be a part of that, it's absolutely free. Check out the first link in the description and the pinned comment to sign up. Again, it's a free email, but you're going to get the best deals every single day delivered to your inbox. Now, let me show you these Amazon big deals because they're big deals. First on the list is this Bosch router. We're talking about a deep discount of 35% off. It was $199 all the way down to $128. I love this router. I think it is an amazing router for this price. I've got this one, this exact model in my router table, and it's been there for years. This is a solid choice here if you need a router. If you're on a little bit more of a budget, you can check out this Skil. This gets the plunge and the fixed base router all the way down from $149 all the way to $119, and that's 20% off the retail price. This is a solid router as well. I reviewed this router a while back. Solid pick. Next up, a push block that I was very surprised by. This is the Milescraft Grabber Pro. It took me a while to review this, but when I got my hands on it, I was extremely impressed. It is one of the better push blocks out there. I love how the handle's angled on there, keeps you away from the blade. It's just an all-around solid pick. Was 39 bucks all the way down to $29. If you don't have one of these, now's the time to pick this up. Before we get to the rest of the deals, I've got a ton more of deals that I just don't have time to show here that you should go check out. Go to my website, 730woodworks.com, click on that tool deals button. It will open up this page. I post deals here every day, but right here in the top, you're gonna see this spring sale page, and I've got these listed off by category, and we're talking about a ton of deals here that I'm gonna be continually updating over the next several days. So be sure and check this often. Next up, this DeWALT drill bit set was $29 all the way down to $19, taking 33% off the retail price. If you need a set of drill bits, it's always handy to have these in the shop. I would recommend picking these up. If you need a set of router bits, I've got two options here for you. Skil, this is a 30-piece Skil router bit set. These are carbide tip router bits. These were $119. Now they're all the way down to 69 bucks, saving you 42% off the retail price. If you need a good starter set or just some extra bits laying around, this might be a good option for you. Or you can check out this Bosch set. This was $79 down to $70, so not a big discount, but these are a little bit better bits, so you're getting a little bit better value here out of these bits. But these Bosch bits probably last a little longer, but those Skil bits will probably be a good starter set. Next up, if you're looking for some clamps, we've got some deals for you. These are by far my favorite bar clamps on the market. I love these things. They're very robust, big handles, just all around great clamps. These were $49 all the way down to 33 bucks. We're talking 32% off the retail price, and this is a 4-pack. So you're gonna be able to stack up on these, get you a couple of sets of these, you'll be in business. This is a huge discount on Bora parallel clamps. This is a 4-pack. You're getting two 24-inch and two 31-inch clamps. These were $230 retail. They're almost $100 off right now, all the way down to $134. And we're talking about a 41% discount. This might be a good option for you if you're in the market for some parallel clamps. Next up, Bessey squeeze clamp. I have several of these trigger clamps, squeeze clamps, whatever you want to call them. I have this actual model. They're really good, really nice clamps. Have held up really well. These were $23 down to $19. Save a few dollars and grab a few of these. Next up, I got some cordless tool deals here. This is the DeWALT drill and impact driver combo. So you're getting two batteries, charger, plus the drill, plus the impact, plus the carry bag. If you're into that sort of thing, you can get it for, it was $239 on retail, 48% off all the way down to 124 bucks. I wouldn't say this is the top of the line set because it's not that XR line. But if you do need a good set for around the house, maybe to throw in the truck, maybe just for DIY projects, that sort of thing, this is a good option for you. If you want that more robust drill, this is the DeWALT XR. So this is the top of the line, their XR line. This is a combo. You're getting two batteries and a charger with this one as well. Plus you're getting the bigger, beefier brushless drill. This was $249 all the way down to $155 at 38% off. If you're not into DeWALT, that's okay. We got some Metabo deals here as well. This is the 18 volt. This is a combo too with the drill and impact. These are the brushless drill and driver. This was $199 all the way down to $129, saving you 35% off. Also, if you're in the Metabo line, I have this in the shop. This is the Metabo cordless router, 2.25 peak horsepower if I'm not mistaken. It's somewhere in that area. This was $249 all the way down to $123, 51% off. There's also a combo kit here on this same listing that you can click on. It was $419 all the way down to $329, which gets you the battery and the charger. But if you're already in the Metabo line, you can just pick this router up for 51% off. That's a crazy deal. This is rare. This is very rare. Woodpeckers Pellini pocket rule. This is a stainless steel 6-inch. It is on sale. That's rare that Woodpeckers puts these on sale. 15% off. It was $54 down to $46. I have the aluminum version of these. These are extremely handy to have. Next, if you don't have one of these style saws, you need to pick one up. This is a Suizan. These are made in Japan. So you're getting that Japanese steel, so you're getting good quality blades. I have a couple of these actually in the shop, Suizan saws. They're fantastic. This was $25 down to $20, save you $5 off this pull saw. If you don't have one of these for cutting small parts, trimming off dowels, that sort of thing, this is a no-brainer. Pick one up, you'll thank me later. If you're building boxes, picture frames, maybe even cabinets, things like that, drawers, this set will be a lifesaver. So these are quarter clamps, going to keep everything 90 degrees while you glue it up, while you screw it up, whatever you're doing there. This is, or was, $29 down to $12. 57% off the retail price. These are super handy if you build anything square. Next up, a couple of my favorite squares that I have in the shop are from DFM Toolworks and are these exact ones. These are made in the USA squares. This is a square and center finder. I love this little square for a couple of reasons. Number one, inside of boxes, stuff like that, it's very small. But you get up inside of boxes, things like that. It also helps you find the center of boards. This is just a handy little square. And again, on sale, it was $43% off, all the way down to $18. These are just extremely nice little squares. You also use it to square up blades and that sort of thing. Just a good all-around option. If you need a little bit bigger of a square, the DFM Small Carpenter Square is extremely nice. Also made in the USA, also on sale. This was $47 down to $35, so it's saving you 25% off. And again, just extremely handy, made in the USA. Awesome little tool. Next up, this deal is today only, March 25th, 2025. It expires at midnight. This is a DeWALT 8¼ table saw with a stand. It's $100 off right now. It was $449 all the way down to $349. If you're in the market for a table saw, this might be it, but I got another one coming later. Next up, the Bora Speedhorse set. This is a 2-pack. This is on sale for 22% off. It was $134. This is all the way down to $104. What am I looking at? I got all my prices written down. If you don't know what these are, they basically set up in seconds, like under 2 seconds. The legs just fold out. They hold a lot of weight, and they are very highly rated. I actually just got a set of these in the shop, so I'm excited to see how they perform. If you need an extension cord, Southwire makes some of the best there is. This one is a heavy duty cord, so 12/3 cord, 100 feet cord, and you're getting 38% off. It was $86 down to $53. If you don't have a really nice, dependable, very heavy duty cord in the shop, this one is probably it. All right, speaking of that table saw deal that I just talked about, I've not seen this table saw this low, and this is going to expire soon. This sale is almost over. We're only got a few days left on it. This is the Milwaukee. This is the DeWALT, not a Milwaukee. This is a DeWALT 10-inch saw, 32.5-inch rip capacity with that rack and pinion fence, with the stand. This was on retail $649. It's regularly on sale for $549, but wait, there's more. If you use the code POWER100, you're going to get another $100 off, making this saw only $449. This is the lowest price I have ever seen this saw in the history that I've been looking at tool deals. It's a really good deal. Next up, you can get this DeWALT DWS 780, so it is the top saw as far as these miter saws go, as far as DeWALT. 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw with the stand. And this one on sale for $599, but if you use the code POWER100, it's going to take another $100 off, making this only $499 for the saw and the stand. If you don't need the stand and you just want the saw and you don't want to have to fool with trying to get rid of the stand, Amazon has this exact saw also on sale for $499. You just won't get the stand. It just depends on which way you want to go, but if you do need that stand, there it is. Next up, this is a deal. The DeWALT DW735 planer, this is $599 on sale, but you also get another $100 off, so it's going to bring it all the way down to $499 when you use the code POWER100. Again, this POWER100 sale is about to end in just a couple more days, so if you've been waiting on these, you probably better jump on it. If you're in the market for a drill press, I got a couple of options here for you. This is a Skil 10-inch drill press. It's a 5-speed drill press. This was $199 all the way down to $159, so you're saving 20% off. Or if you want something a little bit more budget friendly, check out this Win 8-inch drill press. So it's a little bit smaller, so you're losing 2 inches of clearance there. But it was $110, now down to $93. If you're in the market for a track saw, this is the DeWALT 60 volt track saw. It is a very, very powerful track saw, one of the most powerful that I've tested out of all the track saws that I reviewed. This is all the way down to $488. And you get the 59-inch track, you get the combo, so you get the charger, the battery, plus the saw, plus the carry box. This is a solid deal. If you've been thinking about getting a track saw and you like DeWALT, this might be a good option. Next up, $100 off the Bosch HEPA dust extractor. If you don't have a dust extractor in the shop, they're very nice to have. There's also a DeWALT deal that's on the website, so go make on a dust extractor. So go make sure after this video you check out my website and those tool deals. In that Amazon list, there is a DeWALT deal. This Bosch dust extractor was $599 all the way down to $499. And again, this is that HEPA filtration, so it's getting all that fine dust, especially if you're using this with sanders, routers, the smaller tools. This might be a good option. Next up, this is a very good deal on a CRAFTSMAN 308-piece mechanics tool set. If you're looking for sockets, ratchets, or just having enough stuff around the shop, maybe you've lost your 10mm socket and you can't find it, you just need some wrenches and stuff around the shop to assemble tools, to build stuff, whatever you're doing with them. This set, it was $319. It is on sale for 38% off, all the way down to $199. This is a solid deal. Next up, the REEKON M1 caliper. I actually did a review on this a couple of years ago. This is on sale. It rarely goes on sale, only a few times a year, 3-4 times a year. This was $149 all the way down now to $119, saving you 20% off on this Amazon Big Spring Sale. If you don't know what this is, basically it allows you to attach it to your miter saw fence. So if you picked up one of those miter saw deals, when you're pulling the board to you or to the blade, it actually reads off a digital measurement there. It's very easy to calibrate and get you some very accurate measurements if you need one of these. Don't forget to go check out the website for all the tool deals that I'm finding today. There are a ton there that I'm going to be continually updating over the next several days. 730moonwoodworks.com. Click on that tool deals button. We're going to go explore New York City.